Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to make Bagara Bangan. For this you need small size of brinjals. With this we will make a great recipe of South Indian cuisine, that is Bagara Bangan. For that the ingredients: brinjal, that is baby brinjals. Next this is mint leaves and coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, green chilies, dhania powder, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder. This is tamarind seeds, 2 red chilies and some mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds and fennel seeds. Next sesame seeds, peanuts, this is tamarind, and this is coconut pieces, and whole garam masala, that is shahi zeera, cinnamon stick, cardamom and cloves, and onion, curry leaves and oil. These are the ingredients we are using, and we are making very tastier dish, that is Bagara Bangan. In the process, first put a pan on the stove, add 1 tablespoon of oil to it, and then add this whole garam masala to it. When it's lettuce, now add peanuts, and now add onions, and now add these coconut pieces to it, and next green chilies, fry this for 1 minute, and now add some curry leaves to it. Mix this, and next add some tamarind, that is seedless tamarind I am adding. And next add sesame seeds. Mix it and fry this for 1 minute. And next finally add some mint leaves and coriander leaves to it. Fry all this. Now switch off the stove and let it to cool, and then put into a blender and make a paste with this. And now cut the brinjals like this, centerless slitting like this, like a flower. And next add these brinjals to salt and turmeric added water. Then only it won't change the color. Now put a pan on the stove, add oil for deep frying our brinjals. When the oil is heated, then add these brinjals and fry them. Carefully add these brinjals We are removing from water and adding into oil, so carefully add and fry these brinjals up to 80% of cooking. Now our brinjals are cooked. Now you can remove the brinjals from oil. After removing the brinjals from oil, now again put a pan on the stove. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to it. Into that oil, add the tamarind seeds, that is mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds and little bit of fenugreek seeds to it. And next, add 2 red chilies to it. And next, add some hing to it. This is optional. If you like to add, you can add, or you can skip this. And next, some curry leaves to it. And now add ginger garlic paste. Into this now add turmeric powder and red chili powder, and next salt. Mix this. Into this now add this grinded masala to it. After adding masala, now add some water. After adding water, let it cook for 2 minutes. After adding water, now let it to cook. Cover it and let it to cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid and mix this, and again cover it and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, again open the lid and mix this. Now it's time to add our brinjals to it. After adding brinjals, again mix it and cover it and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes again in the low flame only. Then our bagara bangan will be ready. And now open the lid. The curry is almost ready. Finally add some curry leaves, mint leaves and coriander leaves to it. And next, very little sugar. This is optional. Mix this and switch off the stove. Dear friends, I hope you like this recipe. This is bagara bangan. If you like, please send your tips and suggestions to improve my channel. Thank you. Namaste.